So let's look at the kit because it is amazing. It's called Boho Berry, and which is very appropriate, right? So let's look at what am I looking at first? Let's look at the paper pad first. So here is the paper pad, Boho Berry collection. We use, and it'll show us in just a second, we use this die in here. So hang on. So isn't that gorgeous? Okay, look at that, you guys. Look at these patterns. We had so much fun designing these patterns. Look at that rainbow, 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 rainbow. Here we go. It was worth the wait, you guys, because this is amazing. So you're going to use the Build a Mandala and the Mandala for Stepahnie on here to die cut these. Now, do you have to? No, you could use a circle die. You guys, you could use a circle die if you don't have this. Now, don't forget, you guys, just a reminder, the cardstock is limit 2 per person. Okay, 2 per person on the cardstock. So here we go. We have the die. You can die cut that. Then, oh, look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? And I am just telling you, we had so much fun with this pad. Look at this pattern. Look. Oh, okay. This is, sorry I screamed, probably my favorite in the whole entire world for the rest of my life. Probably for the rest of my life. Okay, let's look. Oh, look at that fun plaid. Look at that. Look at that. And then I think we go all over again. The rainbow, and then we're going to do all again. So you get 24 sheets, a whole pack. Let's see what else you get in here. You are also getting, check it out, my friends, glitter, glitter. This is very chunky. Now, let's look at this. This glitter is absolutely amazing. Now, we are calling it berry. I want you to see it, though. It coordinates beautifully with it. Is it the exact same berry? No, because that's impossible, right? But look at how gorgeous it is. And it picks up the color so well. And let me just tell you, yes, you can die cut this. My friends, yes, you can die cut this. So it's like the one I did with the bunny. You can die cut this. It is stunningly gorgeous. You are getting all of these sheets. Look how beautiful that is. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Ah! Oh my goodness. Okay, so there is that. Then what else are you getting in the kit? You are getting, oh, here we go. Nobody in my family has seen these yet because everyone's going to go crazy for the puffy stickers. So yes, you are getting some puffy stickers, puffy stickers. There we go. And then what else are we getting? Then you are getting this really cool die. And I know it doesn't look like anything there, but it says, don't know what I do without you. Isn't that gorgeous? I love how large and in charge this is. There's the glitter in the kit. There's your stickers in the kit. Look at how gorgeous this is on a card. It is taking up most of the real estate on your A2 size card. So now you can fit a couple little things on there and you're done, right? A couple little things on there. Here's another one. A couple little things on there and then you're done. This is what's called an easy peasy card, right? You just grab a card base, die cut it, throw on 1 or 2 or 3 stickers. This is look this, you guys, check this out. This is the exact same products, 3 different ways, just by changing the colors. Almost all the same colors though too, right? But look at how awesome that is. It all goes together. And here's our berry glitter back there, berry glitter back here. Look at that, you guys. Hang on. What? It's like movie star, huh? Woohoo. Got to put your sunglasses on. I love that. I love that. The berry glitter paper is so pretty, Karen said. I know, it's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. I'm like drooling on it. You're also getting a seam binding berry color. You are also getting in the kit some bows. Look how cute those little bows are. And last but not least, oh my word, look at these. Look at those glitter. What are these? Epoxy? They're epoxy dots. Aren't those beautiful? So you're getting epoxy dots as well. You're getting all of this in the kit. 1, 2, hang on, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You are getting 7 different items in the berry kit. Now, the cardstock is separate, as is the felt and the ink. So it's all kind of separate. This paper pad, you guys, you're gonna fall over. Now, much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here, because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.